Right, hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. This is 2E0IQJ. Now I've got myself another radio to play with. And this is the Anytone. And this is the AT-588. And it looks like it's a 2-meter version, but it's not. It's actually a 4-meter version. These radios are getting hard to get hold of. Spent the last 2 weeks emailing people, and they keep saying, yes, we're going to get them in stock, we're getting them in stock, but the manufacturer's not delivering them. So I got this one from eBay. I want to play with the 4-meter band, so I just need to get myself an antenna now, and hopefully get one next week when I go to the Canvey Island amateur rally. So let's unbox it and take a closer look. So on the front of the box you've got the picture and mobile radio. So at the bottom of the box you've got that. Again, it's just saying Anytone mobile radio. Again there, again there, and let's hope it is a win-win. And this is a second-hand unit from eBay, and seller said it's in very good condition. So let's take a closer look. There's the instruction manual. That's in reasonable condition. There's no point reading the manual. You never learn nothing. So play with yourself, you learn a lot more. So let's have a look. Put it in here. Microphone. And you got on there, you've got lock on and off. Let's go a bit closer. You've got lock on and off. You also got a DTMF on and off. Lovely clicky button, something to hang the microphone up with, and your keypad there, and it connects with a there's like an RJ11 or Ethernet socket, but don't go plugging it into your broadband because you won't get nothing. What else we got in here? Oh, we've got the power lead. There's our connection to a battery, which I'm going to plug in a sec. Connection to the radio. Oh, 2 fuses. Oh, blimey. Okay, and apparently it does 50 watts, 25 and 10. This radio. So I've got a rig bracket. Nice big thick, big wide rig bracket. And the radio itself. And there we go. V-stroke M, shift, TCE, stroke DCS. Input for the microphone. Function set. Cal, H-stroke-L, so that's high low power. SQL, structured query language, nope, what with scroll setting, and the power button there. It says power there, but it's a power LED light. The heatsink on the radio, oh, lovely. And we've also got the back there, standard PLT59 connection, and that's where we plug in our power. So let me fire this radio up. There's nothing else in the box, and see what it comes up with on the display. There's my Maplin's battery, 12 amp hour. Clips in, so I have a bit of trouble there. So I'm hoping it is the 4-meter version and not the 2-meter or Simply Sims version, even like the box is. Maybe I'm just using a generic box. So we're going to hold down the power key and see if we get any power. Check it out. I'll power that back up, power it off. Welcome. Yes, it's a 4 metre version, lovely. So I need to get an aerial to play with this. Apparently it does 68 to 88, I think, megs, but it's mainly for the 4 metre band. But yeah, I'm yet to play with this. Remote don't seem to be functioning now, but yeah, maybe I do need to read the instructions. Right, that was a quick unboxing and a first power on of my 4 metre radio. Hopefully get an antenna next week and I can go out and about and do some contacts. Try and make some contacts on the 4 metre band. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers and beers. 73s from 20 IQJ. Comment, like and subscribe. Bye bye bye.